2 out of 3 people in the world struggle to communicate with confidence. Yoodli is helping individuals and organizations show up at their best in conversations that matter most. Organizations like Google, RingCentral, Databricks, Sandler Sales, Snowflake, and many others are using our roleplay simulation technology to ramp up their go-to-market teams, certify external partners, and train managers. Now, as an organization, I have the ability to create roleplays that let my sales force learn by doing, such as practicing a new roleplay, exploring the 2026 methodology, or walking through our latest product demo. We have a number of templates here that allow you to do that, like cool sales call, inbound, outbound customer discovery, allowing your salespeople to practice objections, helping your managers get up to speed with crucial conversations. For example, one of my favorites is patient counseling because it helps train doctors on end-of-life medical conversations. Also, we have state-of-the-art tutoring with our AI tutor, which allows your sales force and your learners to get up to speed on new methodologies, content, and topics ahead of practice. Now, as an individual learner, let me show you what the experience looked like. Today, I am a seller at Google Cloud Platform, speaking to a buying committee with Alaska Airlines. My goal is to convince them in the value of GCP. There are different personalities and perspectives I have to deal with simultaneously. For example, Alex, who's our engineering lead, McKenna Parker, who's our finance partner, and Edward Jones, who's our product manager. I can practice in any major language. I can also share my screen and walk through a deck, or even give a live product demo and have the AI give me feedback. Let me show you.
Hey, Aisha, great to have you here. I'm Edward Jones, product manager here at Alaska Airlines. Thanks for taking the time to chat with us today about GCP.
Hi, I'm Alex Mendoza, engineering lead here at Alaska Airlines. Always good to dive into the technical side of things and see what we're working with.
McKenna Parker, finance partner. Let's talk numbers and what this actually costs us.
Hey McKenna, Alex, and Edward, really appreciate the time. I know your time is valuable, so we don't take it lightly. Would be really curious to hear from you, Edward, on what you're hoping to get out of a potential cloud platform switch.
Thanks, Aisha. I appreciate that. So honestly, we're looking for a platform that can grow with us. We need something that's going to let us build cutting-edge AI capabilities without having to reinvent the wheel every time we scale up. Speed to market is huge for us, too. We want to move fast and iterate on features our customers actually care about. And of course, we need a partner we can trust long-term, someone who's going to be there supporting us as we expand these capabilities across the airline.
Now, as you can see, I can go back and forth with my buying committee and really understand some of the focus areas of why they're looking to switch. This is a judgment-free environment, so I can practice this as many times as I want without anyone looking at my recording. Once I'm done, I'll get an instant report on what I said, how I said it, with feedback personalized to me, but also aligned with what the organization cares about. I got a total of 27% on my overall roleplay, with some very specific feedback, like a 2 out of 5 on aligning technical value to priorities, with some in-depth insights, a 1 out of 5 on providing clear ROI justification, as well personalized feedback. A strength, here's how I did with regards to my previous attempts, as well as a growth area. Here's what I could have done better in the future, and when I'm ready, I can go ahead and practice again. From an organization standpoint, I can see insights across my entire sales force. What are the most improved skills in the last 30 days, like spin selling, resilience training, broad-based growth areas and strengths, which will help me as a learning and development and enablement organization focus on my efforts for the future. You can try out Yoodli for free at www.yoodli.ai.